something. First cast. Second day out on the lake. Does not want to come up. Oh man! Look at the fatness on that thing. Oh! Crikey! Sorry, I need to focus here. Look at this guy. I need to get some underwater with this big dog. Oh! First cast with the SlopMaster. Jeez. Wow, that's fatty. Jeez, just engulfed it. Wow. Wow. First cast with the SlopMaster. We are just on the lake, second day. Woo! Woo! Boom, big old fat pike. Same lake, same place, second day of the third trip out. So we already got one on the line. It's about 2:45, maybe 3 o'clock. First cast on the chartreuse, the SlopMaster that was slaying the other day, kind of matching my shirt. So we're going for big pike. That one was probably 30-35 incher, so good size. We're going for bigger. Another day, whatever will bite. I got a deep diving crankbait on. Yeah, a little windy today, but we're gonna go back in the bay and hopefully get some big ones. I didn't get much footage of the first one because we weren't ready, so hopefully we'll get another one. But here's what we got going, SlopMasters. Let's see about that. You got one? Let me see yours. Yeah, that's the one right there. Oh man, your skirt is gone.
Yeah.
Your bucktail is ravaged off.
Yeah,
that fish just ate all of your bucktail off.
Yeah, I forgot to put it on that thing before.
I mean, these are the SlopMasters. They're not little lures by any means, so we're going for big dogs. If I need to, I'll throw a number 5 Meps Black Fury, but this was the color they were smoking it on last time, like non-stop, and also today, so we'll get some more. If you haven't checked out day 1 and day 2, Old Town Adventures, go check those out. We're moving big fish and catching giants and setting new PBs. Good stuff. Got the heron right there, eyeballing something. He's skulking up on it. Boom! Ooh, missed him. Good try though, buddy. Give that a thumbs up. Ooh, fish. There we go. Yeah, I was running it slow and deep. Yeah, I switched to the black and orange. Ooh, largemouth. Way down. I don't know. Went down into the. I could see it right here. Jeez.
Oh, yeah.
Come here. Oh, mad weeds. Jeez.
No wonder they're chilling down there.
Oh man, alive. Come here, buddy. Nah, that's a largemouth. That's a largie. On the black, first or some cast in.
Yeah, first cast.
Was it my first cast? Yeah, I think it was. Yeah. The black and orange. So, nice largemouth. We got a nice pike so far. Awesome. Oh no, we just had a huge blow up though. I don't think so. Oh, there's a dogfish.
All of a sudden he came zipping out with little weeds poking up in the water there. Okay, cover you little rat.
Woo! Bowfin.
Put your head down in the water.
Alright. Oh. Just waked up onto it. Wow. Yeah.
Stop.
Oh, dang. Death rolled your spinner.
Yeah.
Alligator. Your tail is split, ripped, done. Woo, spinnerbait destroyer, dude. Just had the wake come up out here. He's like, what's that wake? And then just smashed it.
Yeah.
Woo! Wow. Boom. See ya. Right by the boat. That's cool. Look at that beast. Wow, beautiful. Let's see if we can't get a picture. Oh, baby. Oh, look at this. On the SlopMaster. Ah, Jiminy. Not as big as the first one, but just gorgeous. Gorgeous.
I'm ready whenever.
Look at the mouth. Wow. Figure eight them. Having bites, man. They are liking the SlopMaster. Same color. I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah.
Just had a bite right there. Both those pike hit right at the boat. Pike.
That's the last one.
Coming right up on us. Got me. It gets turned around, buddy. Oh, there. Look at that. Another fatty. Woo! Something just jumped. Alright, I got my rods up here. Ooh, wow. They're getting a little smaller. See ya. I was gonna try popping the hook out, but you might as well get that one. Blade's kind of small, so it sinks real fast, doesn't move a lot of water, the jets. So I am going to match it with the custom blade. Got matching body and blade. I can reel it slower. It's a little more gold, a little more flash, moves a little more water. Oh yeah, that looks so much better. Feels a lot better too. Moving water, and everything likes to eat perch. So, it's fish catching time. First cast with it.
First cast.
Cut, first cast. Cast, yeah. Take two. Take 17.
Yeah.
Take 27. 90 takes later, I finally got the first reel in.
Yeah.
Nothing. Reverse. I am gonna get something on this though. Yeah, I am gonna catch something on this.
Yeah, I'll pull up my anchor.
Alright, yeah, we can drift these.
Yeah.
We can go back to the other side now if you want. Just because of the sun. I don't mind either way. Drift down to the bay where we fished before. Right down there.
Yeah, I gotta go with the wind.
Alright, yeah, might as well. Might as well go with the wind. The wind don't lie. There it is. There it is. Yes! This little wind don't lie. Out in the open as I was just letting it sink. It was helicoptering. Oh, yes. Oh, baby, head shakes. Head shakes. Come around here. Ah, I dragged a little tight. Oh, see? I'm glad I loosened my drag. Jeez. Stay pinned, baby. Stay pinned. Don't know what it is. Staying deep on the perch. Just swapped out the blade. Ooh, oh, look at that. Oh, baby. Second cast after swapping it. Alright. I'm here. Ugh. Whew, not done yet. Still going. Jeez, you really want that perch, baby. Oh man, nice. Well, this is my first pike of the day. Just swapped over to the perch. Oh, you are just green for being a little guy. Come here. Buddy. Easy there. That's a good size one. Whoa, ooh, yeah. Okay. Come here. Oh. Wow. Now get this perch out of my face. I do not want it in my face. Ooh, not in there. Ah. Wow, guys. Ah. I will take that out of you.
Nice.
It's like so. Second cast after switching it up. Oof. Nice, that's like 6 pike today. This one's even got a scratch on the side like something tried to bite it. Right there. A big one in here, 50-incher tried to eat this guy. Come here, girl. Come here. Oh, easy. Easy. Alright. You swimming? You're going down. You're swimming downwards. Slow but going. Alright. Woo! Nice. Don't bite my lure again. Get that out the water. Try to catch something on it. Just had to swap out the blade. Gold perch pattern. Awesome. So we've got 5 pike, a bowfin, a largemouth, and 2 itsy bitty baby rock bass. Yeah, good day. We got some bowfin yesterday and some pike and some, yeah, we're catching fish. So stopped up in this little lily pad point here. Water's getting clear. Nice and cloudy. And we're gonna fish all the way up to that other point. Get some more fish. They're active today. Ooh, bang, active. Ooh, I have no idea. What was that?
Pike.
Pike. Oh, the pike. The pike are going mad today for the SlopMaster. Oh, matching my shirt. I'm surprised I haven't got bit by a pike yet. That swap up on that blade made a huge difference. I can slow reel it, I can helicopter it, and it's got a better pattern than just that little silver one. So you can swap your blades out, you know, it doesn't hurt. Is that a fish? That's a fish, baby. Yeah. I see a whale, a well out there. Where are we at here? Oh, zipping. That's a pike.
Yep, little guy.
See ya. Actually, yikes. We got a fat belly. Been eating.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Nice catch.
Something was in the SlopMasters.
Woo! What do you got there?
It's like a
Oh,
pumpkin seed.
Oh yeah, you went pumpkin seed, downsize it, willow gold, with the, well, it was a blue and speckled, but that's what happens when it lays up against a chartreuse bait. It changes color. Wind's blowing right in here.
Fish right there.
Is that what that was?
Yeah, but by the lily pads.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, I can see a fish sitting there. Yeah, I think it just sunk down. I can see that dark weed. Where that dragonfly is. Oh yeah, I don't know what it was, but it just sunk down. I seen its black back. Oh God, I just got something. Oh, that was not the one. Throw your lure in there. That's not the fish. It's a bowfin. Oh, big bowfin. Dang it. Oh, that's all right. Dang. That was a good size, 8-10 pounder for sure. That was a cool sight fishing bite right there. So, a little snack. Front came over, got a beautiful view of the bluffs. Wind's dying down. Biggest fish today was the first big pike on the first cast with the SlopMaster. We're trying to beat that 35-incher. What was it? 32, 35, something like that. We don't have a bunk board, we don't have a weigher, scale. Been fishing for so long, you can just know. Ooh, come on, fish. Oh, waking on it. Crap, I think that was a pike. Pretty sure it was. Oh, come on, I threw it right on him. I landed right on it, I'm pretty sure. Dang, come on, baby. Get it this time. Get it this time. There it is. There it is. There it is. Stay pinned, baby. Oh, oh. I think my blade broke off. You rascal.
Oh,
You rascal.
that's what that was.
Clink, did you hear it?
Yeah, it landed right back over here.
Went flying way over there, huh? Ah, that rascal.